Call me big guy, little boat, 6'5", 300 in an 8-foot pond prowler. But I catch 'em all bass, crappie, catfish, trout from any creek or pond from dawn to darker. They call me big guy, little boat, that tiny plastic hull don't tip or stall. I know every spot where the big one's prowling. 8 feet long and 4 feet wide, just enough for me, my rods, and cooler pack. Fish jump when they feel that low freeboard ride. I rid the water, watch the sky turn black. Cast into the weeds or open deep, with worms, jigs, crankbaits, what they need. Pull 'em in steady, make the reel scream. They call me big guy, little boat, catching every freshwater fish anytime I float. Even when the bite's dead and the wind won't quit, they call me big guy, little boat. Know where the lunkers hide, the schools run thick. Reel 'em in strong from my pond prowler skiff. When they lay me down by the waterside, carve a giant bass on my stone. Let the ripples whisper through the reeds so the fish below know I'm heading home. Pray for fish heaven past the damn clear water. Strong fights forever calm. They call me big guy, little boat, catching every freshwater fish anytime I float. Even when the bite's dead and the wind won't quit, they call me big guy, little boat. From my 8-foot pond prowler, low in the water, reel 'em in strong from my little skiff.